Are you craving for dessert? If so, then here is a simple yet very tasty and easy to cook recipe for you. Here I am sharing a recipe of caramel bread pudding which I am going to make in a rice cooker. So let's start. First, heat half liter milk on medium flame. When the milk is slightly warm, add 2.5 tablespoons sugar in it and wait until it dissolves completely. Now take white bread slices and chop off the sides. Here I have small bread slices, so I am using 5 slices. For big slices, 3 will be enough. After the sugar dissolves, add bread slices in it by tearing in small pieces. Now mix well until it soaks completely. Add 1.5 teaspoon vanilla essence in it and mix well. Let it come to room temperature. Grease a cake mold or any other steel pan for steaming the pudding. Pour some caramel sauce on it. Here I use half a cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon water to make the caramel sauce. Keep the mold aside. When the bread mixture comes to room temperature, add 2 large eggs in it and mix. Now pour the mixture in the mold. And cover it with an aluminium foil. Now add little water in the rice cooker and place a stand inside it. Place the pudding mold on the stand. Only 1/4 of the pan should be under the water. Cover the lid of the rice cooker and steam the pudding for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, open the aluminium foil and check whether it is done or not. If a knife comes out clean, then it is done. If there is some water on top, then open the lid and boil it for another 10 minutes. Now take out the pudding and freeze it for 3 to 4 hours. After 4 hours, demold it on a plate. Cut it in small pieces and enjoy it cold. If you love this recipe, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And to get regular updates like this, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching it.